Morning, guys. It's a beautiful Friday morning. Today is the last Friday of the month. It's 29th May 2026. And this is what we were looking at yesterday. This is the analysis we had yesterday. We were looking for potential buys above this level here. And as I was doing the analysis, I remember this candle was almost closing here. Once it closed above here, you can see this candle had some bullish momentum. I said we measure the bullish momentum by the size of the candle. This candle had some bullish momentum, and it closed above our level here, though there was some rejection here, some weak rejection here. This is the farthest the market went on this candle. This is the farthest price reached, but it couldn't hold. Came down and closed up here, but still closed above our level. You could see there was some bullish momentum here. So this gave me confidence in taking the trade here, and I executed the trade on 15 minutes on the 15 minutes time frame here, because this is where we got our this the farthest we took our analysis to, 15 minutes. This was the resistance, this was the support. So once price closed above this level here, I placed a sell limit, buy limit here, and we were activated here. My stop loss initially my stop loss was down here. Initially my stop loss was all the way down here. Yeah, initially my stop loss was all the way down here. Once I was activated uh, by this candle here, we were activated at around 9 a.m. Okay, so once we were activated here, market pushed down, came to this support here, and resistance that support here. Uh, we were not able to break below the support, and that gave me uh, that added to my confidence in this trade. Once price was rejected here, you can see pushed up, pushed up. We came, had a break above here. Once we had this break above here, I moved my stop loss to just below this level here, just below this structure. Why is it not moving? Once we had that break there, I moved my stop loss there, below the structure there, because this structure had been broken here. So I moved my stop loss here. Uh, Price came back, retested the level. Our stop loss was not hit, and at 3:30 p.m. You see the risk reward ratio 8.48, which was very good. At 3:30 p.m. here, we had the data coming out yesterday. The data came out, price index PCA, and the GDP quarter over quarter. The data came out negative for the dollar. That's why you see this push up. The data was not good for the dollar. So you see the gold pushed up. Okay, so that's why you see this push up here. Market broke our TP1, slight pullback. We hit our TP2, and whoever was taking their profit at TP3, you got hit. Okay, and that's how I executed that trade. That's how I took the market yesterday. That was the buy, the winning buy. So far, we have executed 14 trades this month since the start of May. Uh, Out of the 14 trades, we have won 9 trades, uh, closed one at break even, and that makes 10. And then we have lost 4. 4 trades lost, 9 won, 1 closed at break even. Do the math. if my risk to reward ratio is 2, let's do let's do some quick maths here. If my risk to reward ratio is 2, say I'm risking a minimum of $50 per trade. So out of the 14 trades, how many have we lost? 4. So meaning how much have we lost if we were risking $50? It's just a figure. That's just a random figure. How many have you lost? That's $200, and that's those are the losses. And how many have we won? 9. Given a risk to reward ratio of 2, meaning for every trade that we've won, we've hit $100 true. If we are risking 50, then we are aiming for 100. So how much have we won? 9 for the 9 trades. That makes 900. So 900 minus the 200. Are we still in profit? Yeah, that's it's very easy. If you remain consistent to your game, if you remain consistent to your system, establish your system, uh, create your rules, and remain consistent even when you're losing. Just identify the mistake you made and rectify the mistake. And you can become easily profitable in these markets. Okay. So real quick, for the sales, you never got a sale. You are looking for potential sales below this level. We're looking for potential sales below this level here. You never got a sales, just the buys, and it was a good buy. And you see the market kept pushing up and up and up and up. Now we're stuck here at this level here. So let's see what we are to expect today on the fundamentals. Anything high impact on the USD? Nothing. GBP, BOE government barely speaks, and the Canadian dollar, GDP month over month. You see what I was talking about yesterday? Uh, the prelim GDP, but for the dollar. Core PCE, price index, but for the dollar. That's why we saw gold pumping up, pushing up here. Okay. You have to understand the fundamentals. Try and understand the fundamentals. So nothing today high impact on the USD. Latest developments on Iran and the US. Let's see. Tehran has not informed the Pakistan mediator that the agreement text has been finalized. Okay. Uh, let's see. Have we struck a deal? Trump's team pushes for new his face. Not important. Friday will reveal Canada's GDP reaction. I saw on Twitter yesterday that Iran had prepared a deal awaiting Trump's approval. So let's see what will happen today or over the weekend. So today nothing high impact unless there's a statement from either party. That's the US or Iran. Okay, so let's jump into the charts real quick. Jump into the charts real quick. Remove all the drawings. Start our top-down analysis from the monthly. Top-down analysis. The reason I start my analysis from the monthly is because we have different types of traders here. We have swing traders, we have day traders, we have the scalpers. So I just want to accommodate everyone. So jump down to the weekly. On the weekly, we have the resistance is still up there. Then we have some internal resistance up here. And the support, this candle is still active. So the support, I'll still use this as the support on the weekly. Excuse me. Uh, jump down to the daily. On the daily, what do we have? On the daily, we are looking at this as the support here. These are confirmed daily support. Once this structure is broken here, and this is our confirmed. There was this break here. Wait, did it break? Did we have a break here? Ah, there was no break there. But internally, there's this break here. So we're going to use this one here. We have some resistance internally there. That's on the daily. But it's a daily resistance out there. On the 4 hours, jump down to the 4 hours. On 4 hours, we have our support down here. Price came, broke the structure here. Then this was the high was taken out, and so we have our resistance up here. That's the next resistance we're looking at. Support down here, resistance up there. We're on the 4 hours, so let's use the body there and use the body there. So that's the range we're in within the 4 hours. Jump down to 1 hour. 1 hour, what are we looking at? Now on 1 hour, we're going to readjust this. On 1 hour, we're still in the same, because this when price came down, broke below here, then pushed up, broke above there. So on the 1 hour, we're still on the same. Just going to readjust this one to the wick there. That's our 1 hour resistance, our 1 hour support down here. On our support, on our resistance. But you still have this worth noting. This one is worth noting because price came, broke above here, came all the way up here, then we had this push here. So this one is worth noting. It's an internal structure here on the 1 hour. So in 30 minutes, let's see what we have. What do we have on 30 minutes? On 30 minutes, once price came, broke above here, it's just been consolidating here. No big breaks, no breaks here. Yeah. So on 30 minutes, you have that support there, and the resistance still up there. So this is where I would want to leave my analysis today. I would want to jump down to the 15 minutes. Today being a Friday, end of the month. uh, let's leave our analysis at that, at 30 minutes. So in the 30 minutes, let me readjust this one here. So on the 30 minutes, I'll be looking for, yeah, if we get a break above this level, just a minute. Yeah, if we get a break above this level here, a break above that level there, we'll be looking for buys above here, potential buys, potential buys above. Potential buys above there. And if we get a break below this level here, we'll be looking for potential sales below here. Potential sales below. Potential sales below, potential buys above. This is a not trade zone here. This is a not trade zone. So if we get a break below there, you could look to push the market, take the market down to this level. Today is a Friday. Keep your targets, achievable targets. It's a Friday, it's the end of the month. Anything could happen. So a stop loss. When I place that stop loss there, it doesn't mean necessarily that that is the fixed place where I'm going to place my stop loss if I get in a sell. Now, if we get a kind of bearish candle closing with good bearish momentum here, if it forms a structure as it breaks below here, my stop loss would be above the structure. If it's just a single candle, if it's this candle that comes and breaks all the way here, my stop loss would be just above the wick of that candle. That's how I say I place my stop loss, just above the wick of that candle. Okay, if it's a structure, just above the structure that breaks below. Okay, just above the structure that it forms as it breaks below, just above there. That's where I'd have my stop loss. So my take profit, that's my take profit there. That's for the sell. For the buys, we're looking to take the market from here. If we get a good candle closure above this level with some good bullish momentum, remember, momentum is key. Momentum is very key. Not just closing above with such a small candle, then you jump into the trade, you'll get burned. You have to see some momentum. This is what I mean by momentum. This is good bullish momentum, some good bullish momentum here, some good bearish momentum. Size of the candle, size of the body of the candle. The size of the body of the candle is what determines the momentum, the pressure, the selling pressure, the buying pressure, the buying pressure here. Okay, there's a selling pressure here. There's some good selling pressure, which tells you the market's gonna keep pushing down until this pressure, until this momentum wears out. Okay, so if you see this, then you start buying over here, you're gonna get burned. You can't catch a falling knife. This is a falling knife. Don't try to catch a falling knife. Okay, so this is what I'll be looking at today. Remember, guys, trade carefully. uh, Risk management is key. Trade what you see, not you think, not what you think. And happy hunting, guys. See you on Monday for a recap of this trade. Okay, have a lovely weekend.